guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. So today guys, I'm back with another recipe in my simple kitchen. And before I tell you what I want to cook for lunch, I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. To my subscribers, thanks so much for always supporting me. And to those who are watching this video and is not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. And also I hope you enjoy this video till the end, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So these are my ingredients. For the spices, I'm using turmeric, paprika, I have a pinch of black pepper, I have salt, and I have grated garlic. Here I have the Irish potatoes, peeled Irish potatoes. I have cold water. I have all-purpose flour, and I have dhania, coriander. Yes, so for the bhajia, you can use the bhajia flour. Yeah, there is a specific bhajia flour that is used, and if you don't have it, you can just use the normal one, the all-purpose flour. So let me just begin by slicing the potatoes into small round shape size. Yeah, so let me just remove this first. Yeah, so I want to start slicing the potatoes into small round shape. So I'm just going to use a chopping board and a knife. Yeah, so let's begin. So for this, you don't need to slice them into thin shape. You only need this size. As you can see, it's not that thin and it's not thick, so that ndo maana haziive vizuri. So you just need this size. You make sure you get this size. So let me put this here so that I can get the space. So now I'm done making the slices. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to soak them so that it can remove the starch. Yeah, so let me just soak them here as I make the butter. So make sure you have that size, not too thin and not too thick. So guys, as I've told you, I need to soak this. So let me put water so that it can remove the starch in it. I think that's enough. So now I want to prepare the butter, and I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients. So I'll put in my spices, salt and garlic in. I'm going to add the dhania. Now what you need to do, you just need to give it a good stir so that all the ingredients will be well incorporated. So you can use a fork, whisk, or either your hands if you wish to, as long as you make it correctly. So right now the butter is well, it's not so thick and not so light. That's the texture that we want. So now it's done. So the next step, I'm going to add in my potatoes in so that I can mix them. So another thing guys, by the way, I forgot to tell you about the oil. That's one of the ingredients. You must have oil. So as the oil heats, I'm just going to put in my potatoes, Irish potatoes, so that I can mix them with this butter. You can either use your hands to mix if you wish. Let me just mix those ones first. So make sure you mix them well. both sides. Both sides should be well mixed. You see? So if you want to know your oil has heated, just use a wooden stick. If you see, as you can see here, it's well. But wacha tu hit tena vizuri. But we don't want it to overheat, because utapata itaiva on the outside. Na tunataka ive zote, both the outside and the inside. So make sure it's not very hot. The oil is not very hot. So now let me check the oil whether it's heated. If you see bubbles, just know it's ready. Yeah, so now I'm just going to put in my bhajias in. Yeah, so just turn them so that, because we need the golden brown and we want them to cook both sides, so make sure you turn them. Yeah, we need to attain the golden brown so that we can know they are ready, and also they must be crispy on the outside. Yeah. I love them, by the way, when they are very crispy. Yeah, so Just make sure you turn them very well on the both sides so that they can cook well. And yes guys, now you can see they are turning golden brown, and that's what we want. And also they are very crispy on the outside. And I know for sure they are now cooked in the inside because we sliced them the right size. We didn't slice them the thin size. Yeah, the size was slightly light thin and not too thick. So now I'm going to put them here. You can use a kitchen towel, kitchen serviette, so that it can absorb the excess oil. So let me put them there. So guys, I'm done. The bhajia are ready. As you can see, they are very yummy. Yeah, and they are very sweet. And by the way guys, they are very crispy on the outside. And you can try this recipe. By the way, it's very easy and very simple and very fast. Yeah, so if you love this video guys, kindly give it a thumbs up. And until the next one guys, bye.